How to lock and unlock WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can lock and unlock WhatsApp with your Face ID on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you'll actually need to take is make sure that your iPhone is up to date to the latest version. For that, head over to your settings and then head over to your general. There you should find software update and check if it's above 18 or not. After you've done that, simply head over to WhatsApp, locate the app, long press on it, and there you should find an option that says require Face ID. If you tap on it, now you can just tap on require Face ID. After the Face ID is verified, now whenever you open WhatsApp, it will actually want your Face ID. And yeah, now if you don't want to use that, you can just long press on it again and tap on don't require. And it's that simple. That is how you can lock and unlock WhatsApp using your Face ID on iPhone. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.